wikiHow to Meme is a goofy 3 to 12 player card game where players try to be the first to win 5 image cards by matching how-to titles with funny wikiHow images. To set up the game, place the image cards and how-to title cards in 2 separate piles in the middle of the playing area. Choose one player to be the first judge. The judge deals 7 how-to title cards face down to each player, including themselves, and flips an image card face up in the middle of the playing area. Every player, except for the judge, chooses a how-to title card from their hand that they feel best matches the face-up image card. Players pass their cards face down to the judge, who then shuffles all of the players' chosen cards together, turns them face up, and reads them out loud. The judge chooses their favorite card combination and awards the image card for that round to the player whose card they chose. Players can try to convince the judge to choose their card, and the judge can choose a card on any basis they like. At the end of a round, each player draws a new how-to title card, and the judge moves to the next player in a clockwise direction. The next judge flips over a new image card to start the next round. Whoever gets 5 image cards first wins.